Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the ene sys driver error on your Windows computer. And now, let's get started. The ene sys driver error can be a frustrating issue for many Windows users. Fortunately, there are several effective solutions you can try. Our first approach involves disabling memory integrity. To do this, search for Windows Security in your Windows search bar and open the application. Once Windows Security is open, navigate to the Device Security tab and then select Core Isolation. Within Core Isolation, ensure that the toggle for memory integrity is turned off. Another common cause for this error is a recent Windows update. If you notice the ene sys driver error appearing immediately after installing an update, rolling back to a previous version is a wise step. To do this, right-click on your Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, go to the Windows Update tab. On the left-hand side of the list, select Advanced Options. In the right pane, click on Update History, then select Uninstall Updates. You will then see a list of installed updates. Locate the most recent update, select it, and click on Uninstall, confirming the action when prompted. Following these fixes, it is highly recommended to ensure all your drivers are up to date. Return to the Windows Update page. Click on Advanced Options, and then select Optional Updates. If any driver updates are listed here, proceed to install them. This can often resolve underlying conflicts that may have been causing the ene sys driver error. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.